you trying to record a TikTok only to discover that the camera won't open? Can quickly ruin the moment. Whether the screen stays black, the camera freezes, or TikTok refuses to access your device camera, there are several possible causes behind the issue. So let's go to see how to fix camera not working on TikTok. The first thing you have to do is to go to settings. In this page, you'll find this window of apps, so you will click on apps. Then here in this page of apps, you will enter again to this window. After that, here in this page of apps, you will search about TikTok. You will click, and then here you will find Force Stop, so you will click on Force Stop, and then you will enter to storage. You will click on storage, and as you see here, you will find clear cache, so you will tap on clear cache to clear your cache on this application of TikTok. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.